Hello everyone, and welcome back to the best channel of all time. Do you know the greatest multi-role combat aircraft currently owned by Russia? Namely the Su-30SM. The Su-30SM is a multi-role fighter aircraft developed by JSC Sukhoi Design Bureau for the Russian Air Force. The Sukhoi Su-30SM fighter was designed in accordance with the requirements of the Russian Air Force. It is being manufactured by JSC Irkut Corporation, a company based in Russia. The multi-role Su-30SM can be deployed in counter-air strikes, counter-land and counter-sea missions. The aircraft also acts as a command and control platform within a fleet of combat aircraft performing joint missions. The design of the Su-30SM airframe is made of high-strength titanium and aluminum alloy. It is based on the Su-30 MKI aircraft, jointly developed by IRKUT and JSC Sukhoi Design Bureau for the International Astronautical Federation. High maneuverability was achieved through the integral aerodynamic form combined with a thrust vectoring feature. The Su-30SM is capable of carrying an advanced weapons payload, weighing up to 8. The aircraft can be armed with a machine gun, bombs, air-to-air missiles and supersonic anti-ship and land attack missiles. The aircraft can engage aerial threats and ground and naval surface targets by deploying onboard air-to-air, air-to-surface, guided or unguided weapons. It can be fitted with anti-surface weaponry such as rockets and rocket pods for conducting land attack operations. The glass cockpit accommodates 2 pilots in tandem configuration. The crew are provided with ejection seats. The cockpit incorporates an advanced avionics suite, integrating a head-up display and liquid crystal multifunction displays. The Sukhoi Su-30SM features identification friend or foe equipment, a global positioning system, and an inertial navigation system. The open architecture design allows the integration of modern avionics, including a new radar system, radio and recognition system, and other support systems. The glass cockpit accommodates 2 pilots in tandem configuration. The crew are provided with ejection seats. The cockpit incorporates an advanced avionics suite, integrating a head-up display and liquid crystal multifunction displays. The Sukhoi Su-30SM features identification friend or foe equipment, a global positioning system, and an inertial navigation system. The open architecture design allows the integration of modern avionics, including a new radar system, radio and recognition system, and other support systems. The fighter is powered by 2 turbojet engines. The engines generate a total afterburning thrust of 25,000 keV. The power plant provides a horizontal flight speed of Mach 2. The maximum unrefueled flight range of Su-30SM is 3,000 kilometers with a flight endurance of 3.5 hours. The aircraft features autopilot ability at all flight stages, including low-altitude flight in terrain-following radar mode, and individual and group combat employment against air and ground or sea surface targets. Automatic control system interconnected with the navigation system ensures route flight, target approach, recovery to airfield and landing approach in automatic mode. It is a multi-role fighter for all-weather, air-to-air, and air interdiction missions. So many videos from us. Thanks for watching. See you the next video.